guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know this is the first time you're seeing me without makeup, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tolu D. Welcome to another vlog episode of me going to tint my ride. Guys, I am going to tint my ride and I am super excited about this. I am super excited about this. So guys, come with me. First of all, let me show you my car without the tint, and when I'm done tinting it, I will show you what it looks like. Oh my god, look at my face without makeup. I'm still a beauty. So guys, this is my car without the tint. See how it is without the tint. So when I'm done tinting it, I'll show you guys what it looks like. So let's go guys, let's go. Let's go, guys. My nails so much. So guys, I'm here now, just about to turn into the building. Yes, let's go. See what the hills.
You've arrived. Destination is on your left.
So guys, I just got to I'm going to be tinting my car. Yay! I'm excited. Guys, I'm super excited. I don't know if this is clean. Apex. Yes, that's the place, guys. This is the place where I'm going to be tinting my car. Apex, yes. Right? Where am I going to park? Yeah, that's where I'm going. Hey guys, I found it. Let me see if I can park here. Yes. My name is Tolu. I have an appointment for 4 p.m. Yeah.
All the windows done except the windshield.
Yep.
And do you know what percent you want to get? I know what type of tint you got what you want to get, but do you know what percentage you want to get?
No, I don't. Like, what do you mean by percent?
So 35 is what's legal in the state of Maryland.
Okay.
You would have to put a higher tint on there because 35, I mean, you have tinted your glass already, a degree of it. Warranties, all of our tint comes with 99% UV protection. The tint is by a company called Dispel. So one of the 650 is for all when it's not including windshields. That one costs 98%.
I'm going to definitely just put everything 5. I think I just want to do the 5% for all. I don't mind. Yes, I really don't care. Yeah, I don't care. Yeah, so I made up my mind. I'll just do the 5% for all.
The whole
I really
thing?
don't care. The whole thing.
You sure?
Yep.
All right, let's do it. CS 5%. Oh, so let me get you to fill out this form.
Okay.
In its entirety, your warranty is registered through your email, so include your email address.
Okay.
All right. And on this form, I want you to circle 5% and circle all. Because that's what you want, right?
Yep.
And then you print, sign, and date the bottom.
All right. Both of them?
Yes,
Or
ma'am.
just, okay.
Both of them. This one's your name, your address, your phone number, type of vehicle, and your email.
All right.
Print, sign, and date. This one you just circle 5%, and all, and then print, sign, and date.
Alrighty. Thank you. So guys, I just filled out my name and my information. So yeah, I just did. So I'm ready.
All right, let me make sure I can read it all. How do you spell your last name?
Dawodu.
Dawodu?
7.
So that's 12 Duke of Windsor?
Windsor Court.
Okay.
That's CT. Yeah.
And what's your email address?
It's my full name, TOLU LOPE pretty @gmail.com.
TOLU
LOPE pretty@gmail.com. Yeah, and the zip code is 21207.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I think I got everything in there.
Alrighty. What do I need to do? Oh,
Nothing.
okay.
Good to go.
Okay. So I just go wait.
Mm-hmm.
How long?
About an hour and a half.
All right.
It'll be done probably about 5:15, 5:30.
Okay. Thank you. So guys, I have to wait for like 1 hour to get my windows tinted. I'll be patient. Tinted right. It looks so good. Yes, let me stand far from it so you can see properly. Yes, I've tinted my ride. Tinted my ride. Thank you. What's your name though?
All right, there you go.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Enjoy your window tint.
Thank you. Guys, I've tinted my ride. It just looks really bright now because it's the daytime, you know, so. But at night, I don't think you'll be able to see through. So guys, I'm gonna head home now. And I'll see you guys. So I just go home now. My car is tinted. I'm super happy. Thanks guys. Thank you so much for coming with me. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Stay safe.